Hey car owners and new drivers! Looking for a reliable 4K dash cam with car coverage and GPS? Meet the Redtiger F7NP. Let's see what it's really made of. Capture everything with dual cameras. The front records in sharp 4K, while the rear gets clear 1080p footage. This ensures you have detailed views of both what's ahead and behind you. Wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots significantly. With 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear coverage, you get a broad perspective of the road. Feel more secure knowing more is being recorded. Night driving is covered too. Advanced night vision technology provides clear recordings even in low light. This is crucial for capturing details around the clock. Built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location. This data is automatically logged, providing valuable context and evidence if you ever need it. It's great for trip analysis. Stay connected with Wi-Fi. Easily access footage and settings on your phone using the app. Ready to feel more secure on the road? Priced at $169, you can grab yours now by clicking the link below. Protect your parked car with 24-hour parking mode. It records motion or impacts when you're away. The F7NP delivers high-quality video performance. Users consistently praise its ability to capture clear details like license plates day and night. The night vision is particularly reliable. Installation is straightforward, often taking under 15 minutes. It comes with essentials like a 32 GB card, so you're ready to go. It's designed to be user-friendly. Considering its 4K recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, and parking mode, the F7NP offers excellent value. It packs features often found in more expensive models. It's a smart investment for comprehensive coverage. The Redtiger F7NP is a reliable, feature-packed dash cam offering great value. It provides the high-quality evidence and peace of mind every driver deserves. Ready to enhance your driving safety and confidence? Check out the Redtiger F7NP today and secure your drive. Click the link in the description and order yours now. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.